My name is Kris Bock and I'm a Premier Field Engineer with Microsoft. So part of my role is to help customers identify opportunities and solutions where AI can help them in their workplace, and machine learning to some extent. And so we're working across a number of different industries, from healthcare, automotive, retail, looking at how this technology works, whether it's identifying customers' emotions or working with chatbots which enable customers to get access to information faster than they could through traditional channels. Rather than having a customer sit on a phone and wait for an automated system, they can actually talk to essentially through a messaging system to a chatbot and get real-time answers. We're seeing it in driver recognition, so working with companies to see if their drivers are alert and aware from a safety perspective. So lots of companies are doing some really interesting stuff, and they're just interested in seeing how it can help them. I think AI is a complex term. I think it means a lot of different things to different people. So for me, it was the idea of completely independent, autonomous thought. And so that would have been through movies, I think. The idea of HAL in 2001, or yeah, I guess movies. I think people are. I think people already are using AI to some extent. I think it's just about raising awareness to what is possible to be done with AI, and I think the benefits that it will bring to society as a whole. And as long as we can avoid the fear-mongering and sort of sensationalisation that is coming out at the moment, I think we'd be in a good place. I think Australia's always had an appetite for consuming technology as rapidly as we can get our hands on it. And I think what we're seeing today with the, I guess, democratisation of tools and technology around cognitive services and AI, I think you'll see Australians adopt it pretty quickly. There's a lot of great companies, a lot of great startups that are doing some pretty amazing things with machine learning and AI. AI is really good at detecting patterns and behaviours, and for instance, we're already using it with recommender systems to some extent with machine learning, and so helping us maybe understand ourselves a bit better. I think that's probably where we'll see that come to fruition. The big development of chatbots is allowing a framework in which developers can really start building their own applications on, and then tying that into a back end that uses machine learning and natural language processing to bring back results in a much more accurate and quicker response. And so we're using machine learning to get, to understand what the customer wants more accurately and make that interaction a bit more human, I guess.